The Honourable Minister for Youth and Sports. Cabinet Ministers present, senior civil servants, members of the diplomatic corps. Are they here? Representatives from the business sector, members of the Fiji sporting community, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for the kind words of welcome and for the ceremonies of welcome. A very good afternoon to you all. I was at a function earlier on today with the Fijian Holdings Group. We had an open forum after that, where we made the mistake of allowing people to say whatever they wanted to say. It was a very, for me, informative session, because they were free to say what they wanted to say. For a lesser being, there would have been a fight. But I, being thick-skinned as I am, was able to absorb it all. But it opened my eyes to what the people are saying about how the government is performing. So from that session this morning, to be here celebrating an achievement is a great thing to happen within a few hours of each other. It is therefore with great pleasure and pride for me to come and join you here for the reopening of the newly refurbished tracks of the National HFC Bank Stadium. As Albert had said, we started on a grass track here. And for a few years, we were looking forward to the first tartan track to be constructed in the Pacific. And that came. And then we looked forward to the synthetic track. Now we have a new one. The HFC Bank Stadium holds a special place in the hearts of many, including my own heart, as it has been the venue for countless memorable sporting events and competitions over the years. When you get to be my age, you can say over the decades. Today we celebrate not only the reopening of this iconic track, but also acknowledge the commitment and dedication of all those involved in making this refurbishment a reality. Since its establishment, the HFC Bank Stadium has been a symbol of sporting excellence, a place where dreams are forged and champions are made. It is a venue where athletes from all walks of life converge to push the boundaries of human potential in themselves and inspire the generations to come. Your coalition government has worked tirelessly, but this morning I heard that we are not doing enough. I say we have worked tirelessly through the Ministry of Youth and Sports in collaboration with the Fiji Sports Council and the Sphinx solution to bring you the best. This has resulted in the renovation of our national HFC Bank Stadium tracks to be of international standards. Have we affected the scoring line? No. I hope we haven't. The dead ball line of the rugby. Have we reduced that? So can we have international matches here? We still can. Okay. This symbolizes our dedication to promoting health, wellness, and effective lifestyles or active lifestyles within our nation. Yesterday, you would have noticed in the afternoon, many civil servants out in the field in Albert Park or on the tracks, around the sea walls, etc., enjoying the wellness afternoon that has been put aside every week for our civil servants to get out and get some fitness back into their systems. The newly refurbished tracks is a testament to the government's commitment to investment in sports infrastructure and promoting a healthy and active lifestyle for all our citizens. These tracks will provide athletes with world-class facility to train and compete, and will undoubtedly attract top talent from around the country and beyond. We hope that we're also thinking about the next game. Are we? But this stadium is not just for the elite athletes. It is a place for everyone to come together, to cheer on their favorite teams, to push them to new limits, and to create lasting memories with friends and family. It is a place where dreams are born and champions are made. And we stand here today, and let us not forget the importance of sports in our society. Sports have the power to bring people together, to be an inspiration and a symbol of unity for a common purpose. Let us use this stadium as a platform to promote unity, diversity, and inclusivity in all aspects of our national lives. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to the CEO of Fiji Sports Council, Dr. Gilbert Walalamure and your team, Minister for Youth and Sports, Sphinx Solution, and all those who have worked tirelessly to make the refurbishment of these tracks possible. Your hard work and dedication have not gone unnoticed, and we are truly grateful for all that you have done. I am confident that the newly refurbished tracks at the National HFC Bank Stadium will serve as a platform for our athletes to excel and achieve their full potential. I'm looking forward to some school records being broken within the next few days as they feel the difference between their own old competition grounds and these ones. Let us continue to support our athletes as they strive for greatness on the world stage, and let us harness the power of sport to inspire and unite our nation now and for the generations to come. In many of my speeches overseas, I'll thank those overseas for the remittances they did send back to Fiji. Last year, it was more than $1 billion sent back for the families at home. A lot of that has come from our sporting personalities abroad, and I'm sure it will continue to grow. I noticed Della in the second row here, and I'd like to congratulate her and the weightlifting team for the medals they won for the nation last week. But I ask her not to give us any last-minute requests like they did a few days before they left for the Prime Minister's office to fund the remaining expenses that were needed. Whatever it will be, your government stands ready to assist. We have champions all over our country. The only way to realize their real potential is to encourage them to come to these tracks and also support them as they venture abroad for international competitions in the region and further out. Once more, congratulations. I'm happy now to officially open our newly refurbished tracks, and the two cabinet ministers and the sports minister have volunteered to run the 1,500 meters. So once again, thank you very much and congratulations. And now whatever. It's a great honor and great pleasure for us to unveil the plaque and to declare open the newly refurbished HFC Bank National Stadium. Worry. Now,